For more than 50 years, our mission at Advanced Packaging Inc. has been to engineer and deliver the highest quality shipping and custom foam solutions available. As one of the only AS9100 certified producers in our industry, our in-house engineering and manufacturing team will guide you through every step of your project, ensuring that you receive the customized solutions you need in order to achieve the results you desire. A great example of this is our ability to create precision-cut custom foam inserts for your case. As part of the initial design phase, we produce a rendering or concept drawing, which allows you to see the details of the design, size, specifications, and make any changes you deem necessary prior to production. Once approved, our manufacturing team will cut the foam inserts and securely embed them within your cases or containers. The custom finished solution will protect, organize, and present the contents of your case in a professional and organized manner. To learn more about our capabilities and custom solutions and the positive customer experience we create for our clients, please contact us via the information below.